But we have the handsome Sushant here with us. Hi, how are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
Very, very good. I must tell you, you're looking stunning. I think it seems like you took a lot of effort to like step out of that, the suit and everything and then wear something different. Would you like to tell us about your look?
Yeah, it was styled by Ashwin and it's by Rams. And yesterday I wore a tuxedo, so today I wanted to go Indian for Telugu night.
Oh, that's so nice. Yeah, this must be exciting, right? Because today we have the Telugu and the Kannada awards. How's the feeling?
Yeah, a lot of my friends are here. I'm just here to show support and meet all my colleagues from all the industries, and it's fun, always fun coming to SIMA.
Absolutely. I'm sure all the Telugu girls out there are probably just like, zooming into their screens and watching you right now. And I think it's been an amazing last couple of months for you, right? Quite successful with your new release. Would you like to talk to us about that?
Yeah, I just like to thank the audience for Chila So, and I try to do something different, and it's heart filling when someone accepts something new. So I will try to do something new with every film of mine. I'll try to do something new.
Absolutely, because we have high hopes from you now as well. But I mean, like a debut director, the whole team was quite young. So how did you trust the project and how did you go on board? Could you share the details?
Yeah, I mean, I like the script. So obviously Rahul's narration was very clear. And then we got a experienced cinematographer, yes. Sukumaran sir, and it was a new production. So, we all supported each other, and I think it was a team effort.
Okay, that's great. So any particular scene that you enjoyed, acting or performing in that movie that you would like to tell us about?
I think it's a staircase scene with me and my co-star, because it's a very unique scene where he's trying to propose and the girl says, decide yes or no to marriage. And he's like, he wants to say yes, but he's scared. So I think that was a very unique scene, and I really like that scene.
That's nice. So today we have a little twist. So we have a little game here which is called Never Have I Ever. Have you played this before?
Yeah, I have done.
Okay, great. So all you have to do is pick a couple of cards and then answer truthfully. We're counting on you. We have everybody watching us on Facebook Live, so we hope you're going to be honest. So would you like to pick a card?
Sure. Never have I ever pretended to like a script that my friend was working on.
Has this happened?
My friend was working on...
Like, they come up to you and they tell you about a script and you don't think it's going to go so well, but then you're just like, acha hai, or something like that.
No, I don't. I've never lied saying that I like it. I just keep quiet. If I don't like it, I just keep quiet. I'll be neutral. I won't say anything.
Oh, so if he keeps quiet and doesn't give you an opinion, you know what it is now, right? So you have two more.
Okay, I'll pick these two. Never ever gone to work without having a shower.
You to be truthful, honest.
No, never, because it's. I'd rather go late, but because you can't shoot the whole day, and any other job maybe it'd be fine. Yeah. But in front of camera, I think you need to have a shower. So college and maybe even exams, I probably went without taking a shower.
Oh, that's quite sweet. He was quite honest. Your final card.
Never ever been starstruck. I've been starstruck many times.
Really?
Yeah.
Like, do you have any memory of seeing somebody and then that moment being just frozen or something like that?
I think Amitabh Bachchan sir. Really? So yeah, when I met him, he was here to accept the ANR award. And yeah, I was definitely starstruck.
Okay, great. Now we're just going to quickly ask you a couple of rapid fire questions that you have to answer for us. So in your life, if there was just one food that you could eat for the rest of your life, you can't eat anything else, this is just one, what would that be?
Being from Hyderabad, I would say biryani, but pizza also.
Okay, you have to pick one.
Biryani.
Yeah, Hyderabad one. Okay, if there was one outfit, one clothing item that you could wear for the rest of your life, what would that be?
Jeans and a solid shirt, maybe grey or a black.
Okay, nice. One car that you could drive for the rest of your life?
BMW.
One person who you could talk to for the rest of your life, they would be connecting you for the rest of the world. What would that be? Who would that be?
That's a tough one. One meaning probably my mother.
Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you so much for joining us and being so patient and kind. We wish you all the very best for all your endeavors.
Thank you so much.
Quickly a hello to your Facebook fans, please.
Hello everyone, and hope you're enjoying SIMA. See you soon.
Thank you so much, Sushant. See you.